Build a WordPress membership site with just passwords, no user accounts or upgrade rules needed. Here's how to do it. Method 1. Password-protected content. This first method only needs the PPWP Pro plugin. Here are our two demo pages, Speaker Resources and VIP Sessions, both open to anyone right now. Let's lock them down. In your dashboard, head over to Password Protect WordPress. Open the plugin settings and turn on Password Protect Private Pages. Now, from the drop-down, pick the pages you want to keep private, set a password, and save your settings. That's it. Open one of them in a private browser window, and instead of the content, you now get a password prompt. Enter the password, and the page unlocks. If you're selling a premium item, like a VIP All-Access Pass, you can lock its product page the same way. First, go to PPWP Settings. Then in Post Type Protection, select Products and Save. Now, back in your products list, find your product and click Password Protect. In the pop-up, click Password Protect this page. PPWP instantly creates a password for you, and you can use that one as is. Or if you'd rather set your own, open the New Password tab, type your password, and hit Submit. That's it. Now the VIP All-Access product page asks for a password before anyone can open it, while your General Admission product stays open to everyone. From here, you just email those passwords to your members. That's perfect for a small group. And when you're ready to grow, there's a way to hand out access automatically. Method 2. Form-based registration. This time, members register through a form and get their access link by email, automatically. For this, you'll need the Form Integration extension. It works with both Contact Form 7 and Gravity Forms, and in this tutorial, we'll use Contact Form 7. Go to Contact and open the form you want to use. Head into the PPWP Pro tab and tick the box to enable the integration. Under Form Action, choose Generate Quick Access Links after submission. For protection type, choose Individual Protection. Then find your Premium Page's Post ID and enter it in the Protected Post ID field. You can also set a usage limit and an expiration time to keep your links under control. Now open the Mail tab. Here's the important part. Scroll down to the second mail, Mail 2, the one sent to the person who registered. Turn it on, and in the message body, add the PPWP_message shortcode. That's what delivers the access link to your member. Make sure Use HTML content type is checked so the link works. Now, let's see it in action. Here's the registration form. I'll fill it in and submit. Behind the scenes, PPWP generates a unique quick access link for that page. You can see it right here in the Protected Pages password panel, listed with its usage count and expiration, so you always have a record of the links that were created. And here's the email that arrives. It gives the member two ways in: a quick access link that opens the content in one click, or the password to enter manually on the page. And that's it. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.